So we have the black non-reflective Yeezys right here that just came out yesterday. I don't think these look that great in person. There is like a lot of pretty good 3M on the laces. But when I saw these pictures online, I thought they looked way better. But upon seeing them in person, they're just like whatevers to me, you know? It's just like a regular Yeezy shoe right now. Nothing too special about them, like a plain black shoe. Red pull tab. But yeah, these are actually hitting really well. Yeezy season is back, boys. I think that this is like the static ones. But instead of white, it's black. Once you go black, you never go back. Yeah. Check this out. So you can actually kind of see the boost right here in through the sole. Hey. There were a lot of stores that got these actually. And I'm still in a waiting room and it's been 24 hours. Yeah, overall these are okay to me. Like I think the color looks great, but at the same time it's just like doesn't look as good as compared to online. Stitching right down here in the middle. Yeah. Peace.